How to fix Shopify, this app is not compatible with your store. So if it's not compatible with your store, here's a fix which I'll tell you. So different apps like Ziprocket or like different other apps, there may be problem while because they're not compatible, or they might be temporarily incompatible. But what you'll have to do is go to your Shopify, and in your from home screen you'll have to go to the market section, where you'll have to create a new market. So it is an easy process to create a market. Simply name your market. Let's see, marks, and you'll have to include condition, and then you can select different region and according to your wish. So like we're going with United States. So let's go with Australia and other. You can simply add those, and you can create configurations for them. You can see active and draft, you can make them, and then once you go ahead, you can create a unique configurations in market. So you can like, yeah, do that, and then once you do that, you can simply go ahead, and then you can simply go ahead and save them. And once you follow the prompts, you'll create a new market. So once you do that, your problem will hopefully be solved. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.